Monday. Today we're going to be doing a third mask from Temu, and this one is also from Zozu. I think they're all from Zozu. And this one is Fruit Mango Steam Moisturizer Smoothing Facial Mask. Smoothing sensitive skin. Mango Steam effect. So, let's get started. Mix this up a little bit. Oh, and of course we're going to beat it. I didn't turn on the birdies. Oh well. You can kind of hear, I can kind of hear the birds outside, but let's get this on. Hope everybody had a good weekend. This is Sunday when I'm recording. So far, I'm loving all the masks that I got from Temu. These were the cheapest that I could find at the time. They were $69, $89 cents a piece, but they're pretty good. They cling to the face really good. They smell really good. The serum, I really like the serum. Something just fell, but I don't know what it was. Okay, let's get this on. And I know my chair looks crooked. I hope that doesn't bother anybody. Kind of bothers me, but I finally got my recliner into my bedroom, and I just haven't put the back it's hooked to one side. You can take it apart, and it's hooked on one side, but I haven't hooked on the other side because it was so hard to get apart. And yeah, I just haven't attached the other side yet. Okay, I haven't picked out my cards yet. That feels so nice. So let's get our cards. Ooh, poked me in the eye. This is how many we've done. This is how many I have left to do. So let's see. Let's get out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. Okay, let's set these over here. That has got a lot of serum left in it to add to my little serum bottle. That's got a lot in it. Set that up there. Get my glasses on. Okay. What is this? Ospreys? Ospreys? Ospreys are similar to hawks, but they feed primarily on reptiles. True or false? I'm going to say true. Okay. This is the very first one. False. Known as the fish eagle, the osprey spots a fish, dives head first toward the water, then seconds before hitting the surface, shifts positions and goes in talons first to snatch its prey. Oh, I think I've seen those before in videos. Okay, Alfred Hitchcock's 1963 film The Birds was based on a real-life event, and I think that's true. I think that really happened on an island. I would so miss myself. True. In 1961, a flock of shearwaters migrating off the coast of California feasted on a school of toxic algae-infected anchovies. Sick and disoriented, the birds crashed into the town of Capitola, California. I didn't know it was because of like toxic algae. Wow. Toxic algae infected anchovies. And they did it because they were sick and disoriented. Some of these things are... Do birds sleep in midair? Yes. Scientists studied great frigate, F-R-I-G-A-T-E birds. Frigate birds? Frigate fart? I don't know. They stay aloft for up to 2 months. No way. They found the birds sleep in short bursts while flying, alternatively using one side of the brain to sleep while the other side is awake. That's crazy. Do male birds help incubate eggs? Yes. In fact, males of some species are excellent dads. Some wrens, hawks, flickers, and other males help build nests, incubate eggs, feed nestlings, and watch over them as they develop. Then there are deadbeat dads. Oh no, like hummingbirds. But I love hummingbirds. Oh my gosh. Step it up, men hummingbirds. How does a homing pigeon know how to get home? Position of the sun, Earth's magnetic field, or Google Earth? A and B. Researchers are still investigating how homing pigeons, as well as migrating birds, determine the proper direction for flight. Somethingception, low frequency, ultrasound, smell, and other facts are being studied as well. I always wondered, like, I just thought you taught them. I know my uncle used to have some, and he would let them out, and they would, go, fly, whatever, go away, and then they'd come back. Which bird can mimic nearly any sound? A mockingbird, a gray parrot, or a lyrybird? C. The amazing lyrybird of Australia mimics all sounds it hears. While it chiefly copies the song of other birds, it can accurately imitate artificial noises like a camera shutter, a car alarm, or a chainsaw. Avian illustrator John James Audubon founded the Audubon Society for Protection of Birds. True or false? True? Nope. False. The first Audubon Society was founded in Massachusetts in 1896. It was named after Audubon, the illustrator who attempted to paint and describe all birds in America. Audubon died in 1851. Falconry, the practice of hunting wild animals with birds of prey, started in Europe in the Middle Ages. True or false? Falconry is believed to have started 4,000 to 6,000 years ago on the steppes of Magnolia, where they still hunt with golden eagles. Do all birds migrate? About 40% of them do. Birds make seasonal journeys to breed, find food, and avoid cold weather. Some move just a few thousand feet from lower to higher altitudes, while others make arduous journeys of thousands of miles. What are field marks? Characteristics used for identification, designated areas for bird watching, or points awarded for finding rare species. Field marks. I'm going to say A. A. Field marks are the distinctive colors, patterns, markings, spots, stripes, and highlights used to identify a species. Field guides provide descriptions of these marks along with photographs, range maps, and other information. So let's see, we've been on here 10 minutes. I don't know how long these are supposed to be on. Does it say 15 to 20 minutes? I think do not use on children under 3 years old. I was wondering about that. Like, do they ever say don't use these on little kids? I really wouldn't do it on a child under 3 anyway, but okay, I think I'm going to maybe go watch a YouTube video or just sit back with the girls, and then I will be back. I will be back in a little bit. Look it up for my my bifocals. Okay, let's take this off. Can I get that stuck in my ear? That didn't want to let go. There's still a lot of serum in this. A lot of. All over my face. Feels really nice. Put it on my arms. So, wow, this normally takes the rest of the serum away, but it's still got a little bit left in it. Wow. Put the rest on my chest. And there's still a lot in there. Wow. Wow. Put some on my hands. Anyway. Stay beautiful, stay safe, always love yourself. You gotta love yourself first. And remember to always tell the ones that you love them, because you never know when it's gonna be the last time that you ever get to tell them. I love you guys. I love you all. Have an amazing week, and make sure to check the playlist down below so that you can see what the other girls had to do today. And yeah. I love you guys.